So guys, I'm so happy that I have this over here. This is a Purifier for my bedroom. Normally you see that in your house. Check it out. You're gonna have at night just flash your phone, just flash at night. You're gonna see like the particulates that it's like dust. So basically this absorbs the dust and it's going to purify your air now you or your bedroom or the house or whatever place you want to put it. Of course it comes with this charger that you're gonna put it just right over here and just apply. Inside I'm gonna show you right now. You just twist it. Let me see this over here. Just twist it, right? You open it and you're gonna see the filter. The filter is just right over here. If you can see it, right? You're gonna change it, of course, when it's ready. Of course, this air purifier is gonna tell you when to switch or change the filter. So of course, let me just put it on again. Just give me a second real quick. I need to find. Okay, I need to find this. It's just right over here. So right like that. There you go. See? So I'm telling you, this is a good option for you if you want to sleep better, basically, because with that little dust that is in your bedroom, you're probably gonna get sick. Sometimes you wake up with a dry mouth, a little bit, like, like with a little bit congestion in your nose. And trust me, guys, this is a perfect option for you because I'm using it. I'm telling you, buy it because I'm going to do a favor for you and for your sleep and for everything. So I'm gonna show you how to use it right now. Of course, guys, it comes with a manual that you can see everything over here and how to use it. But over here, let's try this over here. You're just gonna press right power button and it's going to do it. Of course, you have different levels. You have level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and if I'm not wrong, on level 4, that is this one, it's turbo. You're gonna hear it, right? So basically, it's gonna absorb everything from over here, and it's a little bit ventilation, very super nicely, right? You have a sleep mode that you can use if you want to sleep normal, etc. With more, without a lot of noise. Here is when you're going to notice when it's on red. It's going to let you know that you need to change the filter. Of course, over here the lights if you want to show it like that. This is for child lock, right? You press it, that's it. The timer, everything's over here. Of course, I'm gonna have it just over here. I'm gonna change it over here. Or put like a little table here and put it on top. But this, guys, this is the change. Trust me, guys, you need to buy it because this is super useful for you and for your health.